Hello, welcome to another tutorial. I'm Dave, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Substance texture sets into one. Go to File, Export Textures, Output Templates, select your template, right-click and duplicate. We are going to replace each of these output maps with RGB plus A. Click on the first output map, Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy. Add a new RGB plus A, delete its name and paste, then delete the original. Do the same with the other maps. We are going to use the alpha channel from the base color for all the maps. Export the textures using the output template you just created. Download this software from the link in the description. You can pay for this if you want to support the developer, or put 0 and click I want this. Type your email address and you will get an email with the download link. Click on Set Source Folder. Select the folder where you exported your texture sets. Click Set Destination Folder. Select a folder where you want to save the new combined texture set. Type a mesh name, click on Combine Files, and that's it. Now you have all your texture sets combined into one. If you have questions, leave them in the comments or join my Discord server. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.